To become a DoorDash Dasher in 2025, you need to meet specific requirements and complete a straightforward sign-up process. Let's walk through what you need to get started. First, you must meet the basic legal requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old, authorized to work in the United States, and have a valid Social Security number. For transportation, you have two main options. If you plan to deliver by car, you need a valid driver's license, auto insurance, and a vehicle that's 2013 or newer. In select urban areas, you can also use a bicycle, scooter, or even deliver on foot. You'll need a compatible smartphone, either an iPhone 6S or newer, or an Android device running version 6.0 or newer. A reliable internet connection is also essential for receiving orders and navigation. The sign-up process is straightforward. First, download the DoorDash Dasher app from your device's app store. Then enter your basic personal information, provide your phone number and email address, and select your preferred delivery method, whether that's car, bike, scooter, or walking. Once you meet these requirements and complete the initial sign-up, you'll be ready for the next phase: document upload and background check verification. DoorDash partners with Checker to conduct comprehensive background checks on all potential Dashers. This screening process is essential for maintaining platform safety and trust. The background check examines two key areas: criminal history for the past 7 years and driving records for the past 3 years. This thorough review ensures driver safety and reliability. Several factors can disqualify applicants from becoming Dashers. These include DUI or DWI convictions within 7 years, violent crimes, felonies, multiple moving violations, or having a suspended or revoked license. Once your background check is approved, you'll complete the activation process. This includes in-app onboarding modules, an optional orientation session, and receiving your activation kit with essential tools. Your activation kit includes essential equipment. The insulated delivery bag keeps food at proper temperatures, while the red card allows you to pay for certain orders at restaurants. To maximize your success as a Dasher, invest in proper equipment setup. A reliable phone mount ensures safe navigation, while a portable charger keeps your device powered during long shifts. Finally, tracking your expenses is crucial for tax purposes and maximizing your earnings. Keep detailed records of mileage, gas, maintenance, and other business-related costs to optimize your profitability as an independent contractor.